Hi, my name is Michael Hua. I am the pharmacist in charge here at Harbor Compounding Pharmacy. Today, we're going to go over instructions on how to use your testosterone injections. Before we start, I would kind of encourage you to wash your hands with soap and water. Make sure they're very clean. We are doing an injection, so we do want it to be very sterile, okay? You're going to see a couple items in front of you. Before you start, make sure to check your prescription label for directions, okay? That's very important. And so you're gonna have a couple things in your package. You're gonna have this testosterone injection needle. You're also gonna have a withdrawal needle, most likely. You're gonna have your testosterone. This will be just a sample. Your testosterone usually will be yellow and it will be viscous, but we will use this for demonstration purposes. And then you should have alcohol swabs as well, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do, there's a hard cap. We are gonna pop off that hard cap. Then there is going to be a rubber stopper. This is where we're gonna make the puncture into the bottle to pull out the testosterone. You're gonna first want to open up and get an alcohol swab. And you're going to want to swab the top of the bottle. That way we know it's clean, it's been decontaminated. Then open the package up. Usually when they are in the packaging, it means they are sterile. Once they open up, then they'll be ready to use. Because testosterone is very viscous, what we do want to do is replace this injection syringe with a withdrawal syringe first. So we are going to remove this from the syringe, and we are going to replace it with the injection needle, with the actual withdrawal needle. Next, you're going to take a look at your prescription label, see what your dosing is. In this case, we're going to make our dose 1 ml. You're going to pull out 1 ml of air, and you're gonna place that 1 ml, and when you inject into the stopper, usually it will come with a hard top, which you pop off, and then there is a rubber stopper. You will then place the tip in the middle. We're gonna flip it upside down, and then we will inject that 1 ml of air into the vial, and then we're gonna withdraw our 1 ml of testosterone. If you do get an air bubble, you want to tap on it, and then you then want to push up to make sure the air bubble is pushed back, and then withdraw again to the proper dose that you're supposed to be injecting. You're gonna put it upside down. You're gonna put the cap back on. Remember, we do not want to inject with the withdrawal needle. You can see how large it is. We're gonna remove it. We're gonna place the injection needle back on. And then now we're ready for the injection. Now injection is gonna go intramuscularly. What that means is you're gonna inject it into a muscle at a 90-degree angle. The most common sites will most likely be your upper buttocks or your medial thigh. You're going to remove this cap. You're going to do an injection, again, 90 degrees. You don't want to come up from above or from below. You want to go directly 90 degrees in, and then you will then slowly inject it. Also remember, prior to injecting, you do want to also use an alcohol swab and clean that area and let it air dry prior to injecting the needle into your skin. After injection, you want to store this at room temperature, your testosterone, and you also want to discard it 28 days after first puncture. Thank you so much for using Harbor Compounding.